In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to extend your background in your photo. So let's say you have a picture like this. I typically like to make a copy of the layer just in case I have to erase something, go back to something. So what you want to do is select your layer, go over to your crop tool, and just really simply extend your background like this. You'll see the white spaces here, and you can hit enter, and now you have a bigger space here. So from this point, now that we're in 2024 and we have generative fill, what we can do is select your layer again, go up to your marquee tool, and just very simply select and make sure to get a little snippet of your photo in there, and then go to edit, scroll down to generative fill, and you just hit generate. You don't have to type anything in there, and then it'll generate a background for you. And then from this point, you have three options. So you can kind of go back and forth to see what you want to really have in there. So whatever you really like. I kind of like how this looks. And that is it for that side. And then you can do the same thing for the other side. That way all of the white space is filled. You just do the same thing. You grab the same marquee tool. You go up to edit, generative fill. You hit generate. And before you know it, you have three more options to pick from. I kind of like how this kind of looks. And there you have it. That is how you extend your background in your photo, and you can export this to any size ratio that you want. So make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy Photoshop tips, and we'll see you guys next time.